Everybody, in this video, I'm going to give you some instructions on what to do with our phenomenon that we saw just the other day. So the usual thing that we always do is we describe the phenomenon, and then we ask questions about that phenomenon, and then we model it. And that's what I'm going to have you do starting today. Okay? So here's a picture of the before and after of the demonstration that I sent you in the video. Notice how before it's nearly empty with just a little bit of water in the bottom. I added some red food coloring to it this time just to make it easier to see from the picture. And this is the after. So notice the extreme difference in the amount of water versus air that's in both of these. Okay? You're going to model this phenomenon in the way that we've always done in the past. Okay? Let's see. Let me make my head smaller here. Okay. We're all familiar with this sheet. You're going to do this, but you don't have this sheet. You might have a digital version of it as a PDF from Google Classroom, but you're still not going to use that. I just want to show you this so that you can remember what we've done in the past. Okay? But you describe the phenomenon, and then you define the boundary of the system. Then you're going to draw and label the components and identify the relationships between them. And then try to explain a bit and make sure that it's clear what exactly is going on. Okay? So the format that you're going to do this in is going to be in a PowerPoint or a Google Slides presentation that I'll send to you very soon. It might actually be there by the time you see this video. Okay? This is the same thing. Take a look, right? Describe the phenomenon at the top. Describe the phenomenon at the top. Okay? Your model goes here, where you're going to tell me about the boundary, the components, and the relationships. It's the same thing as we had on the previous one. Okay? Only here, you will be able to edit this as you work on it. So you can type your phenomenon here, and then for your model, whether you draw it on paper and take a picture, or do it on your iPad, you're still going to insert the file into this section right here. Please read the directions and follow it carefully. If you're interested in watching the video again, I put a link. You can go back to this video that's in the previous post. Go ahead and watch that. And then you can also go to our Padlet page where you and your classmates posted questions and described the phenomenon. So you can read what other people have written to give yourself a more solid idea of what those are. Okay? I guess that's about all I've got for you guys. So the modeling, I want you to have that done. I guess you can kind of get it done whenever you want to, but there's going to be an upcoming assignment that's going to have you explain your model on the, what is the name of that thing? Flipgrid, just like we did before, okay? So look out for that. Get your model done, and then we'll have a chance to share our models with each other. Okay, I hope things are going well for you guys. If you have any questions, please send me a message. You can either do it on the, I suggest posting messages in the class comments section. If you have a more specific question that you want to talk to me about, you can send me messages through Google Chats Hangouts. It's a free app that will allow us to communicate to each other using our GES Thailand email addresses, and it's just a chatting thing, okay? So if you have questions about that or anything, let me know somehow, and I'd be happy to talk to you about any of this stuff. Okay, good luck. See you later.